Hey everybody, today we're going to do a fairly quick mod on a Mesa Boogie DC10. We're going to convert this amp's loop from parallel to serial, and this applies to the DC5 head and combo as well. Let's look at the schematic to understand what we're going to be doing. Coming out of the preamp, our signal passes through a 1 microfarad cap to the send jack's non-switched tip. And also from that same cap, we have another wire going to pin 1 on the mix control pot, then the return jack tip to pin 3 of the pot, and then out through the wiper and to the power amp section. Now, because the mix control pot does not have a reference to ground, it cannot be set to 100% dry or wet. This is a limiting factor of this type of loop. Looking at our second drawing, all that is involved is rerouting a few wires and capping off one that will be disconnecting. So why do we want to do this? Well, it's going to allow us to insert modulation effects like chorus, flange, or any type of effect we want to use. The mod we're doing is non-destructive, which means we'll be able to put this back to its stock configuration if we'd like to in the future. So here's that one UF cap we were seeing on the schematic. We have the 2 white wires here. They come around to pin 1 of the mix control, and the other one goes to the non-switched tip of the send jack. And then from the switched tip back around to the wiper, pin 3 is connected to the tip of the return jack, and that's the stock parallel loop. We're going to eliminate the mix pot out of the circuit completely, but we want to accomplish this in a way that we can put it back to its original state if we want to at a later time. We're going to connect together the red wire in pin 3 along with the 2 wires that are connected to the wiper. When we are done and nothing's plugged into the loop, our signal will continue on into the power tubes, and when we plug something into the loop, the connection between the send and receive will break, and we are now using a serial effects loop. As you see, a very easy and useful modification for your Mesa DC series amp. I'd love to hear your comments, questions, or feedback. You can leave those below. We will have this amp back on the bench for a switchable high gain mod at some point. Hope you hang around for that. Thanks for watching.